Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app and today we will learn about B2B purchase request. So a purchase request is a formal document used by employees or departments within an organization to request the procurement of goods or services. It typically includes details such as item descriptions, quantities and justification, initiating the purchasing process. So to create a new purchase request, click on Add New PR. Fill in the details here. Once done, scroll down and add the items information. As many as items you want, you can add here. The quantities can be adjusted accordingly. You can add the comments here if any, like based on your business module. Once done, just click on Save. You have successfully added the purchase order. Alright, so once this is done, we have just created this, okay. If you wish to delete it, just click on this delete icon and this will be deleted. Now this we have, and this icon will take you to the purchase request information. And you will find all the necessary details here. And see, it's also showing here if it's approved or not. Now, if you want to download it, you will click on this icon and this purchase request info will be downloaded. If you want to duplicate it, click on this icon and this will be done. And then we have this pen icon to edit. You click on this, and if let's say you want to edit some details, let's say we want to add some more details to this, we'll click on this and click on Save. See, it's updated. Now, we have the option to export. You can export the details in Excel or CSV. So in most of the cases we are doing it in CSV format. So let's do it in CSV. Just click on this and it will be automatically downloaded and saved to your desktop. Okay. So now once all this is done, we have this option which is to consolidate purchase request information. Let's click on this and explore what it is. Okay, so now here we have this approved PR list. So if as of now this is blank, okay, in your case you must be having some details here, so it will show all the approved PR list over here. You can just click on consolidate PR and it will be synced. Now here down the lane we have this consolidate PR list and it is showing the PR number, status, date, items and generate PO. Okay, so you can click on this and view the items. See, you can generate the PO directly from here, or you can generate the purchase order by clicking on this. Alright. Now you can fill in all the details. Always make sure to fill the details that are marked in red. These are compulsory ones. So if in case you are missing these details, your data won't be served. State GST code. All these details are necessary, alright? Add the products. Adjust the quantity or maybe text if required. Once done, click on Save. See, you have successfully added purchase order. Okay, now this will take you to the purchase order page. Now we have a separate video on how to create bulk purchase order, separate purchase order, how to edit, delete, export, everything. So we have a separate video for this. So if you want to explore this purchase order, please refer to this video. Alright, so that's all about this purchase order request. Hope this helps. Thank you.